What's the worst case of alcoholism you've witnessed? When I was 10, I saw my grandma for the first time. She was unconscious on a mattress stained with urine and vomit with an empty liter bottle of vodka next to her. She was skin and bones. She went to alcohol rehab that same day because my mother gave her an ultimatum, but quit very soon, and kept drinking. The next time I saw her was in a mental hospital after she had an alcohol-induced mental breakdown. She admitted that she had been drinking daily since getting out of rehab, which was 4 years ago. She was released soon after, and then landed herself in jail by getting caught speeding in a car while drunk. My mother bailed her out and gave my grandma some money which she used to buy more alcohol. Another year later, she got diagnosed with stage 3 cancer, and that same day gave herself alcohol poisoning as a way to cope. She arrived at the hospital just in time, and her life was saved by mere minutes. She quit drinking that same day, and she beat cancer. She's been sober for 10 years now, and actually met someone a while ago while attending Alcoholics Anonymous. They're happily married for 5 years now.